Today we're going to talk about how to pick out and plant a good rhubarb plant. This one right here looks pretty good. It's got a lot of new growth on it. Doesn't appear to be anything wrong with it. No diseases or brown or yellow spots on it. So that one looks pretty good right there. Always take a look at the tag. This one is going to say that it needs to be planted about 2 to 3 feet apart if you're doing multiples. Full sun. Definitely want to plant it full sun. Give it some good rich black dirt to plant it in so it get established in the ground. These want to be cool and moist at all times for the optimum growth. So as much as you can water these guys is the best. At least once a day, if not twice a day for these guys. They prefer that cool, moist soil. And do not eat the leaves on these guys. Only the stalks are edible. Only this part is edible. Don't eat these leaves. I don't think it's poisonous or anything, but just do not eat the leaves. It says that right on the tag. Do not eat leaves, only stalks are edible. Right there. So just plant these in full sun and do not forget to water them.